How long does the beard have to be? Do you have to trim the mustache? What about shaving the mustache? Is this haram? Some Muslims, they grow to a fist length, but they take a little bit off from the cheek areas. Is the cheek considered part of the beard? Can you have a 5 o'clock shadow? Is that permissible to have as a Muslim? What about the pants? Is it haram to wear the pants below the ankles? Can a Muslim man wear silk, or is this just for a woman? And if a Muslim man can wear silk, then to what extent can he wear silk? What do the early Muslim scholars, the fuqaha, what do they say about issues like this? Allah Azza wa Jalla says that Allah wants ease for you and He doesn't want difficulty for you. If Islam is such an easy religion, then why are most things that people do today haram? Some people may ask this question. Is this a valid question to begin with? And we're going to show the wisdom of Allah Azza wa Jalla behind these rulings and why these are actually the best ways for us to act as human beings. Is it obligated for a Muslim woman to cover her face? What about her hands? We sometimes see some sisters, they're wearing gloves and they're covering their faces. And also the feet as well. Is it permissible for a Muslim woman to show her feet? What about issues like the tightness of clothing? How tight can a woman's clothing be in Islam? And can she show her arms? Can she show her legs? What about the neck? What about wearing earrings that come outside of the headscarf? Is it permissible for women to wear makeup in Islam? What do the scholars say about issues like this? And we're going to show the wisdom of Allah Azza wa Jalla behind these rulings and why these are actually the best ways for us to act as human beings. Allah Azza wa Jalla says that Allah wants ease for you and He doesn't want difficulty for you. What if you go to the doctor and the doctor prescribes for you medication that could perhaps make you high, it intoxicates you? Or what if they prescribe for you medication that has within it gelatin or something that we consider impure as Muslims? Would it be permissible to consume that medication? What if you go to a family member's house and when you're served with the chicken, they tell you the brand of the chicken and you know that this particular company, they slaughter their chickens with a machine? Is this permissible to eat from meat that was slaughtered via a machine? What are the different types of ways that cows or chickens can be slaughtered in Islam, and what makes the meat permissible and what makes the meat haram?